Okay, check this out. It's a fascinating experiment on productivity, distraction, and artificial intelligence.
It starts with a pretty wild idea. What if the real thing holding you back is your own brain? You know, all those delays and bad decisions, it's not outside stuff, it's just us arguing with ourselves. So, the proposed solution, it was pretty extreme. Let an AI control everything for 72 hours. The rules were simple, but man, they were absolute. Every single decision had to go through the AI.
The whole point was to achieve pure, emotion-free execution, to silence that nagging voice, you know? So this 72-hour journey happened in 3 very distinct phases. Let's get into it. Okay, so day 1 was a total struggle. Asking a machine for permission for every little thing, it just felt robotic. But this led to a huge realization. So much time is wasted just deciding what to do, not actually doing it. But then on day 2, things got really interesting. The shift in mindset was just dramatic. Suddenly, with no choices to make, that internal chatter just stopped. Everything became sharper, more focused. And it suggests a whole new way to think about discipline. It's not about force, it's just about focus. But on day 3, things took a turn. The questions suddenly got a whole lot bigger and a lot more uncomfortable. See, AI is great at optimizing a schedule, but when it planned long-term goals, it just felt empty. And that's the crucial question, isn't it? Is this real discipline, or am I just being obedient? So after 72 hours, the lessons were crystal clear. AI is an amazing tool for structuring chaos. But, and this is a big but, it can't replace your sense of ownership. That internal compass gets weaker. At the end of the day, the goal isn't to be controlled by an AI. That's not the point. The point is to learn from its structure, see how it works, and then build your own systems. So the takeaway is simple, but it's huge. Use AI as a tool, sure, but never as a replacement for you.